Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thanks for visiting my video by the way, and if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe on the channel. So a lot of my clients ask me how can they make money with Adsense Arbitrage using the Taboola. Well, it's really simple, but there are some steps that you need to follow. Number one is make sure that your website is a high CPC website. Adsense Arbitrage with Taboola and Outbrain ads is nothing but a numbers game. You just have to do your math and figure out the profit margin from your website. For example, let's say your website is based on financial content. So during the financial content, AdSense has high CPC. Let's say your CPC is 37 cents to 60 or 70 cents per click. Yes, you need to run your ads in Taboola. Make sure that your CPC in Taboola is not more than 3 cents. So here's how you can manage to make the CTR more than 15%. The CPC on Taboola will go very, very low, and always target United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the most European countries. European countries like Germany, Netherlands, and Norway, all those good countries. Do not post your ad on low quality countries like India, Pakistan. Those clicks you get on AdSense will be banned, will be considered as invalid clicks. So make sure that the clicks that you get are from high quality countries, and always filter your traffic. Make sure that your content is really good. It's making sure that people are enjoying reading your content. So your website, which is high CPC website, financial, law, travel, or any other kind of website, your content, and then the Taboola. Make sure that your website has high CPC and your Taboola has low CPC. So when you put those together, you'll make a profit. You'll make a great profit. And I know a lot of people from Morocco, from Algeria, even from India, a couple of guys, they're making 5 figures, 6 figures a month, and they're doing the exactly same process and same thing. All they're doing is just taking their website and making a difference from Taboola. You can also do this with Outbrain. So the best ad networks for native ad publishing, Adsense Arbitrage, are Taboola, Outbrain, and Rev Content. Do not go any other website except this. Also, you can try 4chan. 4chan is a little bit expensive, but you'll be hang out. Also, there are a couple of other websites like Reddit, Gab.com. Make sure to visit those websites. So in this video, I'm just only going to talk about native ad arbitrage. I'm not talking about Google AdWords or Facebook AdWords. I'm going to create a separate video about that, how you can make a lot of money with Facebook ads. That's actually where my specialty is, and I'm running a course on Facebook ads and AdSense Arbitrage. But that one in after that. So let's get back to our topic. You need to make sure that you create a system on your website. So what the system is? The system is high click-through rate. That means when a user comes to your website, most probably they will click on the ad. So here are a number of ways that you can make sure that your website has high click-through rate. Number one is using the right ads. When you're running your website, on the AdSense review ads section, you will see what kind of ads are coming to your website. Those ads who has high click-through rate and actually doesn't go with your website's content, make sure you block them. Number two, create 3 ad layout in your website for mobile and for desktop too. Desktop has high CPC, but your website is really valuable. Your mobile ad will have high CPC. The first ad will be before the content. The second ad will be in middle of the content. And the third ad will be under the content. The under the content needs to be really good. Sometimes a lot of people use next button to replicate the under the content ad. Please do not do that. AdSense has a specific and strict policy. If you make something in your website which is exactly as AdSense ad, you will get banned for sure. You will get a lot of invalid clicks. Number 3 is blocking the invalid clicks. Unfortunately, there is no way you can block the invalid clicks, but we have a software which is a WordPress plugin that can help you to block your invalid clicks. Please do check out the description box. So when you get these three together, the CPC in your website will be very high. So create the system, open the Taboola or Outbrain, and link those together and make an arbitrage. Always make sure to scale little by little. When you're seeing that you're making a 50% return on in your investment or 100% return on your investment, do not put $100 per day instantly. Just go by $10, $20, $30, $40, little by little by little.